why not talk about this a little more first? Just as soon as you start talking about it, things get kind of out of crazy. So why didn't
we are talking about it.
Well, we were talking about it, but you have already made it clear that you're going to, you have said you're going ahead and raising money and doing it.
Well, actually, full disclosure, I've been doing this since 2009. Building human genomes. Part of the reason we developed the CRISPR is because we had an NIH grant to engineer human genomes in cells and turn those into organs, right? So we've been doing it. The question is, what does first mean, right? We've been talking about germline modification for longer than we've been doing CRISPR. It comes up again when
let's just explain what germline modification is, and just really
it's essentially what we're talking about. Is changing not just our bodies, which is gene therapy, our adult bodies, but changing the inheritance of that. So we essentially do gene therapy on ourselves and our children and our grandchildren.
So it gets passed down. So you can make a change in an embryo, and that embryo will grow up to have the trait that you changed and then pass it down to his or her offspring.
And this has already been done as well. So we're doing it first in that we're doing it constantly, having these ethical conversations. We're also constantly practicing what we claim to be as in the future. So there are dozens of children that are now teenagers that have had gene therapy on their germline in the form of mitochondrial transfer, where they had their mother had a damaged mitochondria, and
mitochondria
is the powerhouse of cells and inherited through your mother, and it's the only germline therapy that's been tested. And some people consider it exceptional. I consider it just another chromosome, but in any case, it's past tense. We've done it. Mm-hmm. So we are talking about it first before we do something else, but we're also talking about it later